Hello again from the Flemington branch of the Belvedere and Delaware Railroad. Now part of the Black River and Western Railroad, but out of service. And this is one of the reasons why. So we're near the, I know I'm going to say this wrong, but this is the Alexauken Creek. We're just north of Lambertville, New Jersey. And I believe when Hurricane Ida came through here a few years back, it caused this creek and a lot of others in the area to really overflow their banks. And this whole bed here up to that culvert right there that we're going to go check out is eroded away. And we'll go down below and check that out too. But there's quite a few spots like this along this creek. It really rose high and did a lot of damage to the infrastructure of Flemington branch, as well as lots of other things that were in its path. But as a testament to man's construction, this culvert withstood quite a beating from the high water. All right, let us safely try to... Sorry about that. It's a bigger step than I thought. Now, I cannot find a creek or run or stream or anything that this culvert was supposed to be going over. It's relatively dry, and we just had a lot of rain and it's still relatively dry, so doesn't see a whole lot of water through here. Let's go through and we'll check the culvert out, and then we'll go check out that erosion. Oh. It's concrete and stone. I don't know if the concrete was a later addition for support or if it was all done at the same time. The wing walls, if I'm using that term correctly, have a lot more moss on it. Well, just that one. So maybe there's been some replacements, maybe not. You can see the tooling marks in it. That's pretty cool. Here. We'll get a better look at it, and then we'll go check out that erosion. As you can see, it's dry. Now, I'm sure at one point, well, they put it there for a reason, so this must have been a floodplain of some sort. Okay. And that's something. Power of nature. I'm gonna hop down there for a second, folks. Probably gonna bounce a little bit. Okay. So if I can try to put it into perspective for you, I'm 6 feet tall, and that's a good 10 feet above me yet. And I'm a couple of feet up from the creek bed. So if you can imagine, this was just a raging torrent of water. You can see the erosion on the other side of the hill. And it just came through here and it just ripped all the support bed out from underneath the ties and ballast. And fortunately, the whole thing did not come down, but I'm sure it's not stable. Let's go check out the culvert. It's kind of neat, able to see the inner workings, so to say, that the erosion has exposed. It's definitely a concrete cap up there on top of stone. But it held up. The water was rushing right through here. Good construction. Very good construction. Power of nature. Power of man's construction. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.